Welcome to Click My project. This is our project title, Clustering Data Stream Based on Shared Density Between Microcluster. This is our project abstract. This paper describes DB stream. This is first microcluster based on online clustering component that explicitly captures the density between microcluster via shared density graph. The density information is the graph is the exploited for reclustering based on the actual density between adjustment microclustering. We discuss the space and time complexity of maintaining the shared density graph. We have to calculate the weight density of the each cluster and produce the graph of each cluster. Check the even weight and recluster the cluster using microcluster. Because of all the data servers have the same configuration and also input the equal between use of the shared density based microcluster helps the problem of uneven data cluster. This is our project flow diagram. First you have to load a dataset. The dataset classified into two types. We have to use in two dataset are in our project, and after that the dataset loaded, then we have to pre-process the data because of some unwanted messages are entered into the dataset. So we have to pre-processing the data, and we have to update the cluster. Update the clustering is the process of the grouping. There are some certain range of information given into the dataset. So we have to cluster update clustering on perform for stage. After that you have to choose the clustering dataset. When dataset is loaded, then we have to move on the clustering the dataset and find the density of the clusters. Find what are all the density are available in the cluster, and find we have to active clusters. Active cluster, that means the nearest the cluster nodes in iterations is 3, 4 or 5 on anything. Finally you have to recluster, then we have to generate a recluster using shared density graph. Finally we have to quit the project. This is our project homepage, clustering data stream based on shared density between microclustering. Just you have to load your dataset. Just click here to load dataset and then choose your dataset location. Just view your dataset, and after that you have to click import dataset. Then import dataset will occur and load your dataset. Just click here to, as well as the same procedure followed. And monthly dataset, click just import your dataset, the recorder etc. and view your dataset. And you have to use an Ampere algorithm. Just click here to add your transaction 3 and 3 as well as 4. Just you have to choose your transactions and transactions, and you have to cluster your minimum support count. Just solve. This is your minimum support count will be displayed. Association will be displayed here. You have to cluster your association rule meaning. This is your association. Just click here to cluster. You have to choose your dataset. Just click here, draw clusters, and start and run clusters. The iteration level are varied. It will take 25 iterations. Just click here, see your result, view records. Just decision tree. Just click here to your decision tree. Click here to decision rule and load dataset. Choose your dataset location, payment dataset. Just click here, just import. This is your dataset loaded here, and you have to split third month as well as fourth month and as well as sixth month. Finally you have to predict accuracy. This is your accuracy values. Just click here to recall after the accuracy of the providers. Finally you have to payment. Just click here user detail as well as here the last payment details. After that finally you have to confirm payment. This is a low balance. After that you have to the thousands. The confirm payment is low balance. You have to end up. Thanks for watching this video.